Watch this at night. Adventure never sleeps.
Backing up made easy. Clear, safe reversing. Sun-powered travel. Eco-friendly and efficient. Power on the go. Reliable energy anywhere. Hot or cold? You decide. Comfort in every climate. Look closer. Premium feel inside. Even the exhaust looks aggressive. Performance meets style. Safety matters. Strong, responsive braking. Adventure doesn't stop at night. Extra visibility for extreme trips. Water crossings? Easy. Engine stays safe in extreme conditions. Every angle covered. Maximum visibility on every drive. This bumper means business. Protection and style combined. Stuck? Not anymore. Ready for recovery anytime. Easy access, rugged style. Convenience meets durability. Nothing scrapes here. Built to handle extreme terrain. Small size, big capability. Perfect for city and off-road. Nothing scrapes here. Built to handle extreme terrain. Easy access, rugged style. Convenience meets durability. Small size, BIG capability. Perfect for city and off-road. Listen to DHIS, that turbo growl, pure power. Fog, rain, doesn't matter. Clear vision in any condition. These details, next level. Modern design elements that stand out. Getting in has never been this smooth. Designed for convenience and durability. Imagine waking up to DHIS view. Wide windows for immersive travel experiences. Turn this into your home in seconds. Sleep, relax, explore, all in one vehicle. Bumpy roads? Not anymore. Advanced suspension absorbs everything. Feels like a cockpit, not a camper. Everything within reach. Smart, clean, powerful. You won't expect DHIS level of comfort. Premium seating, perfect for long journeys. This side view screams adventure. Streamlined, rugged, and built for the wild. Night driving? Watch this. Ultra bright LED setup. Turn night into day. Need space? This thing hides it up top. Perfect for long trips. Carry everything without sacrificing comfort. These tires, they laugh at rough terrain. Deep tread, maximum grip. This camper goes where others quit. Don't blink, you might miss the details. Compact size, massive personality. This design is built to impress from every angle. This front look, it's not just aggressive, it's unstoppable. Bold lines, off-road stance, this camper looks like it's ready for anything. Wait, a Camp R with a turbo? Yeah, you heard that right. This tiny beast packs turbocharged performance.